So here are 3 things that affect your depth of field. But first, what is depth of field? Well, it's how shallow or deep the area of focus is from your focus plane. So if we look at a shallow depth of field from the top, the area in focus is super narrow. The further away things are, the blurrier they get. Then a deeper one has more or pretty much everything in focus. Now the first thing that affects this is your aperture. A wider aperture or a lower number gives a shallower depth of field, where a narrower aperture or a higher number keeps more in focus. Now the second one is focal length. Longer focal lengths will have a shallower depth of field, and shorter focal lengths, even at the same aperture, will have more in focus. Now the third one is distance. So the closer you get to the camera, the shallower the depth of field. The further away you get, the more that will be in focus. Now personally, I love shooting with a shallow depth of field. It allows me to isolate subjects, make people focus on one thing and then rack focus and focus on another. But of course, depending on the story you're trying to tell, you can't have everything with a shallow depth of field. It's about knowing when to shoot with more focus and when not. What do you guys prefer? Let me know in the comments.